This is going to clean out your lymphatic system and help reduce inflammation in your body and in your prostate. You do this twice a day, in the morning when you wake up and in the evening before you go to bed. And this. And then you jump on your toes. You do all that for 5 minutes, and then you're gonna just rub the back of your neck. Hey guys, listen, what I just showed you, it may look simple, it may even look silly to you, but it's powerful. These movements are designed to activate your lymphatic system. That's your body's natural detox network. Because unlike your blood, right, your lymph doesn't have a pump. Like your heart pumps your blood. But lymph, you need to move in order to move it. You need to shake it. You need to activate it. And this is very important, especially if you're not going to the gym every day, where you could possibly be doing some of those same movements. So the lymph system is your body's way of removing toxins and wastes that accumulate from bad eating and other stuff, right? It's toxins in our foods. So, and when your lymph flows, your body is able to flush out waste, flush out toxins, so you can reduce inflammation. The same inflammation that is causing your prostate to be enlarged, that's causing your sexual energy to be slow, your libido to be low, leaving you feeling sluggish. So you do these movements in the morning, you can do them again in the afternoon or in the evening. This is like, hitting the reset button for your entire waste management system. And it gets your blood flowing as well. Get your energy up. You'll feel the difference. Your body is able to cleanse itself more efficiently. Inside is the inside, right? So don't underestimate these exercises. We're not just moving your body. I'm not just telling you to move your body around. You're telling your body to heal. So say yes to circulation, say yes to detox, say yes to vitality. Do this twice a day. Just 10 minutes. No excuses. Your prostate, your whole body will thank you. Let's get healthy.